See this line around my tub? Most people just slap new caulk over it, and that's exactly why it fails. Today I'm going to show you the right way to re-caulk your bathtub so it looks brand new and actually lasts. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is remove the old caulk, going all the way around the tub, and clean up the edges. I'm going to be using a razor blade to scrape around the edges to clean the caulk up. This is the caulk, all the way from around the tub, the edge of it. Now I'll just have to wipe the sides and get them all cleaned up before I could apply the new caulk. Which at this point I will have to wait for the water to dry when I clean it up, so that when I put the bead of caulk in there, it can be smooth and you won't see any kinks or wrinkles. I'm using this 10-year mold-free, strong adhesion, and it only takes 30 minutes before you can run water on it. The way I've always opened my caulk is you don't want to cut off a lot, but you want to cut maybe about right here, and you want to do it at an angle so that when you apply the caulk that you're not squirting too much and it's going into the crack that you're trying to put it in. So I have mine at a 45 angle like this, and I didn't cut too much. Most caulk guns, it comes with this pointer right here, and you use the pointer to stick it inside, puncture the seal, and you'll see caulk on there to know that you pierced it. So the way that you want to apply it, you apply that 45-degree angle onto the corner and just a bead of caulk. Once you got the bead of caulk, you take your finger and run it on the edge to smooth it out. Sometimes it takes a couple passes. Smooth the top off. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and drop a comment if you've ever messed this up before. Subscribe for more real DIY fixes. I'll see you in the next one.